Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see who reposted your TikTok videos, step by step. It's super quick and easy. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon to open your profile page. Next, look for the Repost tab, which appears as a small 2 arrows icon on your profile. This is where all your reposted videos are listed. Now, to see who reposted your TikTok, open the video and tap on the share arrow below it. If your video has been reposted, you'll see the usernames of the people who shared it under the reposted by section. And that's it. You now know how to check who reposted your videos on TikTok. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick TikTok tutorials.